When they hear they like, wow, boy got talent, yeah, I like your style, but no pressure, don't let the bullshit stress you. I'm full with somebody test you. God bless you, you grind lesser, you shine lesser.
Hey guys, say something, guys. That third one test right here, you already know what it is.
Already, man. Put my name on my dash, my cash, dream I can swing on the
man, what it is, man. Hey, good man in the building, family. I see you, man. Hey, Flip, original. DTA, man.
City, stand up.
What it is, like a home?
You know what I'm
See
saying?
y'all, man. All day, everybody dead. What it is, man? The money train moving. It's really in the building, man. All the way. You know what I'm saying? Last free records, money train moving. Y'all see what the moving? Everybody moving. Straight get it on. It's all about straight 8 time, whole 8 coming together. Ain't number one radio station in Houston. If a nigga don't understand, we gotta get together and fall.
You know what I'm saying?
We gon' fall, man.
Shit, man, it's fucked up, man. Rest in peace to the hero. We don't hold
gotta
it
have that
down,
bread,
you know,
man.
but that's real talk.
That's all day,
25
every day.
lighters on my dresser, yes sir. I got a bad black bitch that drive a black compressor. You know, smoking on that herb. Every damn day just to call my damn nerve. Shoot up,
Good look,
never gon' switch.
Hey, Johnny, what's up, man?
Fucking snitch. Talking to the law.
Already. This boy Wood, boy Pretty Cow. What's up, Crit? What's up, Crit? Let them know what's up, Crit. I can't mug it. I can't slide the video. I'm finna go grab him on camera, man.
Everybody, we gonna shout out to y'all.
That's what it is, baby.
Hey, y'all niggas come over here. Y'all come over here. Y'all say what over here.
I'm out here chilling with my nigga Show. The third time, you know what I'm saying, getting it in. My nigga just got the mixtape for me, you know what I'm saying? That's what it is. You know what I'm saying? Nigga doing his thing, man. Keep his grind on, nigga. That's what it's about, nigga. We stay on our grind all day, every day, nigga. Shout out to my nigga K Young, got third jobs. You know what I'm saying? Mo City putting it down, you know what I'm saying? Real talk, you know what I'm saying? Northwest, you know what I'm saying? Chillin', I'm sure West. Already.
South, man.
Third down and lay down, nigga. Yeah. You know what I'm talking about?
ESC and motherfucking ESC. Woods, man. Straight up.
That's what it is. That's what it is.
My league and nothing in the cemetery. But it ain't over. Chip on my shoulder. Switch me brand new candy.
Say, Mo.
Range Rover.
Come on, man. Say something on this bitch, man.
My skin is my
What it is, man. Last free records. Third down. Y'all know what it is, man. East Automatic. Rock show. We gotta keep this going all the way. Slugger, Red, JR the Sergeant. We out here, man. We together, man. Family. All for one, all the money.
Hey. Till it's over with. AK with kids bag on my shoulder, bitch, you would die. Fucking with that road, you ain't never been a bitch, you ain't never been a hoe. Don't know how to be a broad, don't know how to be a mark. I put the bubbles on cause it
Say something on this hoe, Jay.
dancing on the gas.
Say something on this bitch, man.
Third one, motherfucking dick. Motherfucking dope.
Wanna come back?
Video shoot.
That's what it is.
I'ma go hard till I chip my fucking tooth.